Hey guys, it's Laura. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. I have another plan with me. This is the week of August 8th through the 15th. It's the 14th. Oops, I just put my kit on the wrong week. I'm going to use this kit from Miss Meow, but I thought I would show you the kit I used the week before. This is Glam Planner, and it is currently Saturday, so I still have a few stickers to put in, and then obviously I need to live through Sunday. So I need I have like little music, karaoke, singing, all sorts of music type stickers that I'll need to put here. I went out for karaoke last night with my boyfriend and one of my best friends and her boyfriend. And then I was doing paperwork last night or yesterday, so I need like a computer or some sort of sticker here. And then I felt really awful today. Like I seriously felt like I was drugged today. And I napped like half the day I slept in. I don't even know. So I need something to put here. And then I have some other things I need to do today. And then like I said, I need to live through Sunday. So stuff to put down here. But I thought I would show you, again, this was Glam Planner, her Cyber Monday kit from 2020. Oh, I need a sticker here also. Actually, I didn't actually request unemployment that day. You guys, unemployment is so confusing. I've never done that before, and I don't know what the heck I'm doing, like, ever. I need a phone sticker here. I don't know, just like little icons and stuff throughout the week that I need to put down. But this is the week, so, you know, it's a work in progress. But this is the week we're going to be on, and to be perfectly honest with you, I don't have like any interviews scheduled. I have Pilates scheduled. I'll do laundry probably Saturday. But other than that, I don't really know anything, so it's a pretty boring plan with me. So I'm probably going to like film, and I'll probably do a voiceover with kind of talking about maybe like karaoke night and my boyfriend and stuff like that. So I'll probably sort of just plan and talk and stuff like that. But I'll show you the kit first. So this is from Miss Meow. I think I got this 2 years ago. I feel like I got most of my kits 2 years ago because I just had an overabundance of kits. I was spending way too much money on stickers because I just really love stickers. But this is, I love lemon kits and I really love florals. The color palette here is so pretty. I really, really love pink and yellow together, but I also love this minty color, wood, white and sticker kits, lemons, really love lemons, and I love a watercolory type florally sticker kit. So this has so many things in it that I just adore. It has gold foil on it, and it's called Freshly Squeezed. Again, it's from Miss Meow. I don't know if this is still available or not, but it says fresh lemonade, 10 lemon, or I think it's, oh no, yeah, 10 lemons, 1.5 cups of sugar, and 8 cups of water. So it's like the lemonade recipe. And then this says lemonade 25 cents this week, important. And next week are the little labels down here, or like headers. There's like a lace on here. The chair's foiled. There's little lemons that are foiled. It looks like a scale, but you know, it's got a bow and stuff. There's a confetti. Oh my gosh, just, it's so pretty. And then we have headers and checklists, the weekend banner, icons. Oops, I've got some deco here. Headers here that are today, confetti, and then the bow. These at the bottom say work, school, and meals. And then this page, I love the addition of this like cantaloupe orange color in here, because it's not extremely prominent in this page here. I mean, you have the one box, but I just think it's a really fun color addition. It just makes it look like sorbet and popsicles and stuff. I don't know. It's perfection to me. Look at this bottom washi. I love that it is yellow. There's just that tiny bit of wood with that lacy scallop. Ugh, it's just so cute. So cute. I can't wait. I can't wait. Oh my gosh. We'll get started. As I said, I don't really have a lot to mark, but we're going to do the thing anyways because we need to have, you know, a week set up. And I've been so good about planning, so I got to keep it going. Okay, so I'm gonna plan, but I'm going to tell you guys a little bit more. I promised one of you I would tell you a little bit more about my boyfriend, and like the fact that I have a boyfriend. Yes, I know. We met on Facebook dating like early mid July, and then I don't know, we started going on dates, and now we're dating. As it goes. He is a chef, and if you all know me at all, I don't really enjoy cooking, and I am not a great cook, and so that works out real nice in my favor, right? He currently works at a brunch place, and he will be changing jobs on the 22nd to kind of more of a sports bar and grill type place. But, you know, he can basically cook and bake anything. He's very talented, and yes, he cooks for me. And yes, I'm spoiled in that sense. And I think even more so, though, like, when I have to like eat on my own and he doesn't cook for me, I'm now like, I used to eat like whatever was in my cupboards, right? I'd be like bowl of cereal, whatever. And now like I look in my cupboards and I'm like, but I don't want to eat that. Like, where's my really delicious meal that's being made by my boyfriend? I'm such a brat now. But no, like, I mean, I'll still eat whatever, but yeah, it's amazing having like a ridiculous, like the first time he cooked for me, he made me a 3-course meal. I'm not even joking. Like, he just whipped it out, like, with whatever. Like, we went shopping. He just sort of, you know, made it up on the fly as he did. And then with whatever other ingredients I had in my house, he was like, oh, like, we'll do this and this and this too. And I was like, what even? Because my brain just does not work that way at all. Like, not even a little bit. So I don't know what flavors go together. I can't like cook without a recipe. Like, I have no idea what I'm doing in the kitchen. But yeah, he's originally from Canada and lives here now, obviously. And he is Mohawk, Native American. And yeah, you can see him on my Instagram. He's a very interesting person. We've had very different lives. It's fascinating to learn like our differences and how we approach things. And oh my goodness, you guys, like, I'm talking to you guys right now. It's August 20th, so it's been a few more weeks, and or at least another week. And yeah, I'm learning a lot about myself in a relationship because I spend a lot more time with him than I have in any other relationship, and I have a lot to work on. I have a lot more attitude than I thought I did, and and I'm really bad at navigating. I think I've made a couple of Instagram posts on things like that, but I'm really bad at navigating, and I'm lucky that I'm still alive right now. Like, not even gonna lie. But at the same time, like, he knew I was bad at navigating, so shouldn't have put me in charge of that. And he knew that, so he was just keeping his mouth shut. But, you know, all those fun relationship things. So yeah, but I don't know what I'm supposed to tell you guys. It's very hilarious, but it's been crazy because of my job search, and then he was searching for a new job, and he also moved this week, like the week I'm currently on, not the week that I'm showing in my planner right now. But it's been a whole lot of things, like major life changes for both people, and a new relationship is a lot. Like, it just is. And then he unfortunately had a really good friend of his pass away on the week that is shown in the planner currently. And you know, like, it's so many things. And working on communication, and you know, he has a lot more life and relationship experience than I do, and working through that as well, and different schedules of work and not work. And I mean, fortunately, because I'm not working, like I am fairly available, which has made things somewhat easier because I am fairly available to do things, and none of the stuff that we've been doing would be possible if I was working. So, you know, those things are able to be done and communicated, and my flexibility and schedule when he has a crazy chef schedule right now. So I'm not sure how things are going to go in the future when I have a job and he has a new schedule that is totally incompatible with my schedule, because he's going to be working more evening-ish hours, because it's a sports bar instead of a brunch place. So I'm not sure what's going to happen, but you know, we're having fun at the time. But it's been crazy, like I said. But yeah, it's been great having somebody cook and whatnot, and just like talking about food and learning about food in a totally different way from like a chef's perspective. Like going grocery shopping with him when he was going to cook for me was fascinating, like totally different. And just like how he cuts up food and like leave stuff in my fridge. Like he leaves stuff open in my fridge all the time, and I'm like, what? Like, but I think because as a chef, like you're used to using it up right away, or I don't know. It's bizarre to me, you guys. Anyways, you guys can see I'm doing the laundry thing here, and I'm gonna basically be done with my spread for the week because I didn't know a whole lot, but I'm about to jump back into talking on the video, so here we go. Okay, you guys, I have, why is this whole section blank? What do I normally have there? Full boxes, checklist. I guess like a bougie area. I didn't put bougie down. I guess I could. Weird. Okay. I guess it's like this spread because they're half checklists. I think I was thinking like this where they're full box checklists and I wouldn't have room for things, but I totally have room for stuff. So I think I got a little squished, but it's fine because I really don't know what's going on this week. So it's nice to have room. I could totally put bougie here and still be totally fine. I did do a little up and down in the middle, which I think is going to be nice to provide some variety. This is totally crooked, but I feel like a lot of things ended up being a little crooked. Like putting my full boxes down, I was like, this is a little off, but it's fine. I love the colors so much. It's absolutely stunning. And like I said, I really only know Pilates, which are all of these labels. And then this is for laundry. I'll put a script in here since I don't have one pulled. And I put a little flourish in here since I just kind of had one sitting here. I have this little sampler from Sadie Stickers, just like literally sitting here. So I pulled that because I didn't think I'd have anything else in there. Like here I could put another label if I wanted, but this one I cut to be another label because I wanted it color coded or color blocked, but it's fine. I'll pull Pilates stickers, I'll pull vitamins and skincare, and then date numbers, and you know, the whole usual shebang. But I think it's stunning, and we will see what happens this coming week. My boyfriend typically has off Mondays and Fridays, so we often will do things those days, and yeah, I mean, we'll just kind of see what goes on. So that's that. As far as stickers that I have left, I have a lot of deco. I have this like sidebar sticker, and then a lot of like layering pieces. I have, oh, I need to put the weekend banner in. I could do that. One checklist, some like label type things, and icons. I used a couple icons with the laundry part, and then a whole bunch of boxes and labels, which I adore. Her kits are so pretty, but I forgot about the weekend banner, so let me stick that in here because I can certainly put that in. Now, the question is, do I want it over the washi or up here? I think I'm gonna put it on the washi because although I normally like it over like the edges of the full boxes, it just so happens that like I really love this lemon full box and I don't want to cover any of it up. So I think it's cute right there on the washi. So this is my spread. Again, this is Miss and Meow. I absolutely adore Miss and Meow. I think her kits are stunning. You cannot go wrong with them. I know I purchased a bunch of them last year or the year before just to round out some areas of my collection, and I think I could do a Miss and Meow kit every week and not, you know, be tired of it. They're just absolutely beautiful, and I cannot wait to see how this kit and week develop as I find out what my plans are. So sorry that I don't really know what's going on, but you know, some weeks are just sort of like that. So stay tuned for next week and I'll show you what this one looks like. I really should get on that whole like posting to Instagram thing instead of just telling you when my videos are posted. I forgot about that, like midweek posts and end of week. I'll try to get on that now that I'm sort of on a more regular posting schedule. Yeah, anyways, I hope you guys are well. Let me know if you are new here, if you are returning and you found my videos again. Hello, welcome back, and good to see you all. I'm so happy you're here. I'm so happy to be filming more regularly again. I missed you guys so much, and I'm glad to see you all, and thanks for watching. Talk to you in the next one. Hit the subscribe button or watch another video, hit the bell, all the things, and I look forward to talking to you guys in the next one. Take care. Bye.